Guys, you all ready to know my monster truck Lego Megalodon? So, I have another monster truck. And then 3, 2, 1. So big. It looks. So, it's not wasting money. So, I have a Rubik's Cube ball. And then, xylophones. This first is it. Hey, Kuya, can you play it? Can you play it? See, it works. So the Rubik's Cube ball. So this one, you can solve because I didn't know how to hold it, but I do have 3 hands. Hi, Stevie. So, jingle bell, jingle. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle. She name is Car. What's that? Car truck. Dad, ano sabihan nito?
Truck.
Truck pala.
Truck.
Car truck. She's name is Car truck. And then she have lights. And if you look the back, no lights. Huh? So weird. I think it is this xylophone or slapaphone, or what is it? All. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Wala. Wala ka na kwan.
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Pero bubu.
So, my airplane is so ugly. Yeah. So, this Rubik's Cube is so fun. It's 10 out of 10. And then, this biggest monster truck, it's 10 out of 10. And this one, it's 10 out of 10. So, what happened to my pet? My mom, she want to trash.
Did you know what I can do?
Hi, Bobby. Ang cute-cute mo. Oh, raruan. Just wait, let me grab it.
Or my feelings. Or my feelings.
Look. This is from my brother, and then this is mine.